So you always hear talk about lessons learned after a disaster. A Purdue University professor hopes what he learned following the Marshall Fire could make an impact across the country. Here's Katie Eastman.
6 different water systems were impacted in Boulder County, and these served 300 people all the way to 21,000 people.
You guys get ready to cut loose.
In the moments of the Marshall Fire, firefighters would get to hydrants and realize they had no water pressure. Embers burned the generator for Superior's water treatment plant, and workers at Louisville's water plant made the decision to let untreated water straight from the lake flow to keep water in pipes for firefighters.
I will tell you that if Louisville didn't keep water in their pipes, you would have seen much more destruction, many, potentially thousands of homes lost.
Purdue professor Andrew Welton came to Colorado and looked at the water systems during and after the fire.
Drinking water pipes.
Welton says that decision in Louisville was the right one, but it's not part of any city's disaster plan. He says it should be.
One of the recommendations for a new study encourages utilities and state agencies to talk about what are the conditions that would prompt that to happen.
His new case study, published by the American Water Works Association, has 20 recommendations to improve water system disaster response and recovery.
And there's really been no national push to help everybody. That's what this case study does, is it puts everything down on paper, identifies the nuances between all these different incidents, and then puts a path forward that people can then take.
Welton says Colorado started taking that path forward right away, using science from his team to guide them.
The local communities, the state officials, all lean forward.
For Next, I'm Katie Eastman.
While Professor Welton was here, his team tested private wells impacted by the Marshall Fire. They found that shallower wells were more likely to be contaminated with chemicals associated with soot and ash.